Welcome to StemeXe for digital marketing. This tutorial will help you better navigate and use StemeXe app. To log in, select Sign in with identity. Then provide your credentials. In case you want to change your password, click on Forgot Password and follow the instructions. I will sign in. After signing in, you will land in the News tab, where you can find the company's latest announcements and news. Scroll to see more. As a member of this group, you can like announcements and comment on them. You can also follow an announcement to receive updates on the comments that will be added on it. Announcements may include photos, videos, or links in which you can access. Once a new announcement is posted, you will be notified. In the Products tab, you can find a list of products offered by your company. You can scroll or search to find a product. Clicking on one of the products will open more details about it. For example, I will click on StemeXe for Online Training Center. Here you can find an introductory video, description, request for a quote, and the person to contact for further details. In addition to more educational material like videos, where you can find video tutorials about this product, you can find documents here that you can download and share, in addition to blog links. In the Requests tab, you can view your open and closed requests submitted to the company and track them. You can submit a new request at any time by clicking on the plus icon, choosing the request type, filling in the corresponding details, and then submit. The Events tab has all the pending events and webinars offered by your company. You can view them by date, time, and details, and then apply to attend at any time. Or just share these events with others. From Profile, I can view my social currency value. Also, I can edit my basic information, change my profile picture, view company's contact information, and invite my friends to join me in my StemeXe experience. Finally, the chat that can be reached from all the previous tabs. From here, you can get quick assistance from our support team that will answer your questions at any time. To log out, go back to your profile, then select Log Out.